What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Vonage. Vonage is a VoIP provider that offers home phone service, business phone service, and internet service. But what carrier is Vonage? In this video, I'm going to answer that question and provide you with some other information about Vonage. I'll also be comparing Vonage to other VoIP providers. So, let's get started. What is Vonage? Vonage is a VoIP provider that was founded in 2001. The company is headquartered in New Jersey. Vonage offers home phone service, business phone service, and internet service. Vonage's home phone service is a great option for people who want a landline phone without the hassle of a traditional phone line. Vonage's home phone service is also a great option for people who want to save money on their phone bill. Vonage's business phone service is a great option for small businesses and large businesses. Vonage's business phone service offers a variety of features, including call forwarding, voicemail, and conference calling. Vonage's internet service is a great option for people who want a high-speed internet connection. Vonage's internet service is available in many areas of the United States. What carrier is Vonage? Vonage is a VoIP provider, so it does not have its own network. Vonage uses the networks of other carriers, such as AT&T and Verizon. This means that your Vonage phone service will use the same network as your AT&T or Verizon phone service. This is good news because it means that you will get the same coverage and quality of service as you would with a traditional phone line. What are the advantages of using Vonage? There are a number of advantages to using Vonage. Some of the advantages include: Vonage is cheaper than traditional phone service. Vonage offers a variety of features, such as call forwarding, voicemail, and conference calling. Vonage is available in many areas of the United States. Vonage is a reliable service. What are the disadvantages of using Vonage? There are also a number of disadvantages to using Vonage. Some of the disadvantages include: Vonage requires a high-speed internet connection. Vonage's customer service can be slow. Vonage may not be available in all areas of the United States. How does Vonage compare to other VoIP providers? Vonage is one of the most popular VoIP providers in the United States. It is also one of the most expensive VoIP providers. There are a number of other VoIP providers that offer similar services at a lower price. Some of the best alternatives to Vonage include Ooma, RingCentral, Grasshopper. Vonage is a good option for people who are looking for a reliable and affordable VoIP provider. Vonage offers a variety of features and is available in many areas of the United States. However, Vonage may not be the best option for everyone. If you are on a tight budget, you may want to consider one of the other VoIP providers that I mentioned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. Additional information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when choosing a VoIP provider. What features do you need? How much are you willing to spend? What is your coverage area? What is the provider's customer service like? I hope this information helps you choose the best VoIP provider for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope you have a great day. If you are interested in learning more about Vonage, please visit their website. You can also call Vonage at 1-800-VONAGE-IT. I would also encourage you to check out my other videos about VoIP. I have videos about how to set up VoIP, how to use VoIP, and how to troubleshoot VoIP problems. Thanks for watching.